everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shruthi. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for stopping by. I started a new workout split yesterday because it was Friday and the fitness influencer name is Macy Lazayak. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly. I started with push and did leg workout today. I was totally drenched in sweat. We are going to IKEA. I wanted to buy a few things for the kitchen, maybe create a sort of an island. I don't think we have space to create like a full-fledged island, but we're gonna try. We will start the journey and do some grocery shopping and a lot of other work. I also need to meal prep, as in prepare my oatmeal so that I'm not chopping the nuts every single day. Normally when I'm driving, I talk to my parents. They were telling me that they also wanted to go to IKEA. Perhaps they are already there. It's a beautiful sunny day today. The sun is out, the sky is almost clear, and it's just 24-25 degrees outside, but I feel the heat. I think after like series of rainy grey days, this is really nice. Let me just show how beautiful it looks today. I really like this area because of a lot of greenery. It somehow again reminds me of, driving in Bangalore with those overarching trees. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. In the morning and we're going out for a short biking. It feels so peaceful, so quiet, and really nice sun outside today. I love this place. There's so much of greenery around. I was on a walk the other day in the evening and I came across a field that Looks kind of similar to the fields that we had near Frankfurt. It's kind of gonna be a round trip with a little detour to these fields. I think the video is going to be like super shaky. I don't know, for some reason this path feels so much like in Frankfurt, especially the Steinbach region. There's a small water area and a golf course or a golf club, but I don't know where the entrance is. I haven't explored it yet.
Sunlight spills on the window. The aroma of coffee fills the air. Lazy cat is curled up on the sofa. Time passes so slowly as if it were hidden away. Wind gently blew across the face.
This is the field which I mentioned.
Pleasant melody lingers softly in the ear. All the trouble are taken away at this moment. Oh, my Sunday, no worries but only niceness.
I think for the first time I'm wearing a matching outfit. Yeah, apart from black, otherwise it's always a mismatch. This is only for those who aren't aware. The red patch of the footpath is for biking or cycling, and the rest is for pedestrians.
How melodious everything is. Just quietly enjoy this time. Oh, my Sunday, no worries but only niceness. Oh, my Sunday, as if worlds stand still. Only my heartbeat could be heard. Smile and laugh heartily all by myself. Tacking of the second hand, beating of the pulse. Every breath and heartbeat seem to be engraved into the memory. Today belongs only to me. Is curled up on the sofa. Time passes so slowly as if it were hidden away. Wind gently blew across the face. Pleasant melody lingers softly in the ear. All the trouble are taken away at this moment.
It's glittering.
No worries but only niceness. Oh, my Sunday, as if worlds stand still.
How cool is this?
My heartbeat could be heard. Smile and laugh heartily all by myself. The sound of pages on the table being turned. rustling, how melodious everything is. Just quietly enjoy this time. Oh, my Sunday, no worries but only niceness. Oh, my Sunday, as if worlds stand still. Only my heartbeat could be heard. Smile and laugh heartily all by myself. Tacking of the second hand, beating of the pulse, every breath and heartbeat into the memory. Today belongs only to. Wake up, sunshine on my face. Sunday morning is the best place. No work, no stress, just relax. Let's enjoy, no looking back.
If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could
Guess where we are?
understand.
In my apartment, Jen. It has basically almost every single damn thing. I don't know why I don't come here often. That's just a pull-up bar. I thought it's a lateral raise. So I think I'll just do the rowing and head back.
Just so I could understand. Just so I could understand. Just so I could understand. Just so I could understand.
I don't know what this equipment, this bench is for. If someone knows, please do write me. I don't know how to use it, honestly. So yeah, that's my apartment gym, but I think I need to figure out how to use the equipment here. And they have pretty good weights. I don't have to buy anything new. I think I'll come here and sit only to work if I get bored at home, especially during winter, and that I don't go to much cafes around, so I could come here and sit and do some focus work if needed. I love it here. We're thinking of going for a short walk because the weather is really nice and the forecast says it's gonna rain the entire next week. So I guess we are extremely outdoorsy today. But does every weekend typically look like this? Yes, it does. It totally depends on the weather. What I also did was, while I was drying my hair, was set reminders. I used Apple reminders for the very first time because I want to have check marks for different habits that I want to track every day on weekly basis, etc. I will use it for next 1 week and let you know how it goes. But thank you so much for tuning in and watching until here. See you in the next video. Bye.